Hey guys, so I am home early from work this evening, so let's just do a quick update on these pepper plants since it is really sunny and nice outside, not too cold. So let's show you what's up with them. So the peppers are basically turning yellow and they're not growing so big anymore. I think it's because it's kind of cold. But this is it for them. And over here, some more. I shall be picking these ones pretty soon and taking the seeds out so I can get them to plant after winter. So yeah, so that's how the plants are doing it, especially the Jamaican hot peppers. And right here I have the habaneros too. They're still pushing out peppers and blooming, but they're still very small, especially if you look at this one right here. So they're small. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.